Hi, welcome to the KOAMTAC Introductory Guide for the KDC480 and KDC485 SmartSled barcode scanners. This video pertains specifically to using the SmartSled with iOS devices. The KDC480 and 485 are the successors to the popular KDC470, 475 scanners and feature excellent upgrades such as BLE 5.0 connectivity and fast Type-C USB charging. The modular design allows users to turn almost any iPhone or iPad into a data collection device by using one of our rugged OtterBox SmartSled cases. The scanners are available in several different models, including 1D laser, 1D CCD, and 2D imager options. The KDC SmartSleds have an array of companion attachments available that are designed for every use case. We have a hand strap companion, an extended battery pack with hand strap, a pistol grip with optional battery in the handle, short and long-range UHF RFID readers, an NFC HF reader, and an MSR IC card reader. For more information on these, see our SmartSled Companions video in the description links below. Before we get started, let's see what's in the box. Included with your sled is a Type-C USB cable for charging and data transfer, the KOAMTAC Quick Manual, KDC Mini Guide, and the KOAMTAC On Guide. For smartphone sleds, there will also be a wrist strap included, while tablet sleds will have a tablet wrist strap. The KDC480 and 485 are different in two key ways. The KDC480 scan aperture points straight ahead, while the KDC485 points down at a 30-degree angle. Both SmartSled scanners have the same four buttons for operation. There are two scan buttons, one on each side, up on the side with the charging port, and down on the side with the battery door. To turn the scanner on, press and hold both the scan and down buttons for approximately 3 seconds. The KDC will sound a long beep when it's ready to use. To turn it off, press and hold the same scan and down buttons again for 3 seconds. The KDC SmartSled can connect via Bluetooth to your iPhone or iPad using our KT Sync app or one of the Bluetooth pairing barcodes listed in the Quick Manual. Configuration of the SmartSled can also be done via KT Sync or with the special configuration codes found on our website. For guides on pairing, check out the links below. To use the scanner, simply press one of the scan buttons while aiming at the desired barcode. If the read is successful, you will hear a single beep and the LED will glow green. The data will display on the screen of your smart device. If the scan is unsuccessful, you will hear multiple beeps and the LED will show red. No data will appear on the screen. When used with an iOS device, the KDC480 and 485 charge via the Type-C USB port on the side of the scanner with the cable included. The iPhone or iPad will charge using its own dedicated cable. The SmartSled has a rechargeable 1100 mAh battery, which can be swapped by opening the battery door on the side and replacing the battery with the tab side facing out. KOAMTAC recommends replacing the battery yearly to ensure the longevity of your scanner. Replacement batteries can be sourced directly on our web store. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, including info about our SDK, please contact us using the information on the screen and in the description links below.